Hey there. So I hope everyone is staying safe during this quarantine time. I have been doing a lot of TikTok videos and I've been watching other people's videos, and one of them was pretty interesting to me. It was how to make curls out of a bathrobe tie. I just got out of the shower and washed my hair, so I thought, what the heck, let's try it and see what happens. So this is going to be a DIY thumbs up or a thumbs down. We don't know what it's going to be. So first off, washed my hair, conditioned it. I put in some detangler stuff at the bottoms or to moisturize it. I actually sprayed some pink stuff in it in the shower to upkeep my color. It won't turn my grays. I have to wait for my salon girl for that. But in the meantime, I thought at least keep my pink on my bottoms, or my rose gold. And then I also put in some curl stuff from Matrix that I have, and I just kind of scrunch that in my hair. So that's the only product I have in right now. So it's already damp. First thing you have to do is, first of all, get a bathrobe tie. I have one right here. And make sure that it's even around your shoulders, like so. And you're going to first let me put this back on. First you need to part your hair in the back and just make two pieces. Doesn't have to be exact, but basically you want two pieces. And then you're going to put the bathrobe tie over your head, and you want to see if you can keep them sort of even. Mine are a little uneven right now, so let's pull this way. Okay, the other thing you're going to need are some clips like this to clip your hair against the tie at the very end. All right, so I've never done this before, so we're going to try to do what I've seen them do on the tutorial. Okay, so basically you're going to start out with the top part of your hair, and if you've ever made a French braid, it's sort of going to be like that, where you're going to wrap it once, pull in some more hair, like you do with a French braid, until it's totally wrapped around. So there's the one wrap. Then you're going to grab some more hair. So here's some more hair. And then wrap it around this again. So now I've wrapped it again. Now I'm going to grab some more hair. And I'm wrapping it again. And then some more hair. And wrap it around again. And I have one big piece back here, so I'm going to break it up into two pieces since I still have so much of the bathrobe left. And then here's the last piece. Actually, this went a little too low. Let me pull this in now. Okay, so this gets wrapped. And then I'm just going to wrap this all the way until the end. My hair is so long, you can't see. Okay, so now see this part right here? My hair ends here. This is where you take the clip and you clip your hair to the bathrobe tie. Okay, the next step they say to do is to make like a Princess Leia round, like so, and then kind of like pull this through to make it stay this way, kind of like a tie. Oh, that worked. Ah, okay. So that is one side. Now I'm going to do the other side on fast speed. Okay, not quite sure how I ended up with such a long one on this side and shorter one on this side. I'm thinking that maybe I didn't have it even the whole time, or I just didn't pull tight enough. So I'm actually just gonna tie this behind my head and just keep it out of the way. And now I'm going to sleep like this as much as possible. And then when my hair is dry, I will take it down and show you the results. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, ooh, bright light. Update, these are not comfortable to sleep with, so I didn't want to not take them out off camera, so I'm doing them now. It's like 2:30 in the morning, and they're killing me. So I'm taking them off. My hair is still actually damp, and I'm whispering because the whole house is sleeping. But I'm gonna take them out, and then I'm gonna go back to sleep and then I'll show you when I wake up how it turned out, but let's just take these out. I can't sleep with them in. All right, let's see what it looks like so far. Hair's still damp. I put these in at like 9, so they've been in for like 5 hours. Oh, I see waves. Okay. Oh, the good news is my hair did take pink from the Kirsten S stuff that I use from Target. So here's my hair right now. I'm going back to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning and show you. Maybe it'll dry further. Okay, gotta go, bye. Good morning. I haven't watched back the tape that I taped in the middle of the night last night. Okay, so things I've learned from this. My hair was too wet for the curls to take in the way we curled it. I had just gotten out of the shower and I had towel dried it, and I didn't let the water evaporate more. So I think that's why it didn't work as well as I would have liked. However, I don't hate it. You could see that it gave me some really nice, big kind of waves, kind of like beachy waves, all the way down to the ends of my hair. So when I went to sleep last night after taking all that stuff out, because it was crazy uncomfortable to sleep in. I can't believe I even fell asleep with it on. I was really tired. But I kind of put my hair up behind my head, not in a ponytail, but I have a satin pillowcase. So I think that kept my hair from really moving around a whole lot. But anyway, I would like to do this again another time when my hair is damp, like just damp. I've seen tutorials where girls just like spray their hair first and then do it. So that might be an option, or just wait till my hair gets further on into the drying process before doing it. But yeah, I don't hate it. Like I said, my hair's pretty long. So I'd say that was successful, but I don't recommend sleeping in them because it was extremely uncomfortable. Well, on that note, have a great rest of your day. Thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, stay safe, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Bye.